And then I will proceed now to the inside of the building. Okay. This is the inside. This is the inside building. Okay, the roof is here now. Okay, the roof is already, guys, the roof is already finished. I mean, in Bisaya, nahuman na ba og butang og atop?
Humana ni Sir. Ang atop humana?
Okay, the rope is finished already. So I enter now the inside of the building. Oh, this is the happening today. Okay. Another portion of the building. Okay, Bong, are you busy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I understand. So they are preparing for the preparing for the floor. This is the another portion of the building house. Guys, what are you doing there, guys? Guys.
Plastering, sir.
You are plastering the hollow block.
The window.
The window. Okay, the roof is still finished.
Umana ni? Ban? Kanan? Kuloro? Umana ka no?
Okay, the roof is already finished. Okay, this is the roof. And this is the floor. They are working now on the floor to level up. To level up the
Floor, sir.
floor. Okay, Bong.
Sir?
The rope is still finished.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing now? What is your work today? To finish the floor.
The floor.
For flooring purposes. Okay, this side is the septic tank. Okay, this side here is they are preparing for septic tank. Okay, the workers are huh?
Water tank.
Water tank?
Yeah. Rainwater.
Ay, so if I'm not mistaken, this is also preparing for
Water tank.
water tank. Oh, this is water tank. I mean, thank you guys for answering my queries and questions.
No problem, sir. Anytime.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching.
Sir, sunod, sir. Kini ma-interview ha, sir. No problem.